Okay, so here today I made some wonderful organic tofu in a homemade teriyaki sauce. We have here some baby bok choy, baby corn, shredded carrots, fresh ginger, fresh garlic, and the tofu. Okay, and a little bit of lemongrass. Looks wonderful, and when you make your own sauces, it really does turn out a lot better. And it's nice and creamy. And wanted something sort of sweet and savory for lunch. Mashallah, it's a good estrogen booster. This will be for me and the girls. No so boys. Mashallah, tabarakallah. Woohoo! Alright, here's mine plated. How you like yours, Albanero?
I really love it. It's so awesome. Tastes delicious.
Mashallah, kid approved!
Yeah!